yeah, we are ready. Some actually crazy paint job. Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is AzooL from AzooL channel. The second day we managed to make the car ready for the paint. Today guys is the day we're gonna do the paint job. Yeah, so now I'm outside to go buy the paint and other stuff we need for the paint job. So this is the place actually, Rush, and this is all the paint. Yep. So guys, we are inside. You just take a small look. They have really so much paint, and I love this. What they say, I'm not sure. It's some actually crazy paint job. I think this is, they call the 7 color. So from any angle you're looking at this, it's different colors. So I can see the blue, green, purple. So it's a lot of mix. And this is as well the same thing. Yeah, and we have the dark gold as well. We have the green. We have the black. Colors, like we call this special colors, and very expensive, especially this one. We're gonna put the information for the car, and after that we're gonna see which color code it comes. 2007. 7? Yeah. So now we're gonna enter the information for the car, and we'll see which color code it comes. Yeah, Lexus.
2007 में बस 2 कलर आता है, 1 F2 आता है,
1 F2.
ब्लू शेड में.
Yeah, blue 1 F2. So we got the numbers, everything. Now we're gonna make the color ready, guys. So as you see from the computer, there's like 2-3 color they have to mix up, then the original color will come for our vehicle. So this is the color code 1J for silver. So now it's time for us to make our color, guys. So we need at least like 50% of silver or more than that. So actually they're mixing the second color. It's kind of beige, gold, something like that. So they have exactly measurement in here. So they have to put exactly the same gram. So he's kind of choosing the third color, or no, he's looking for the number. So this is good. They have all of those paint cans. They have special numbers. So they choose the exactly number from here. You have another as well. It looks like a white. So they're gonna show us in more extra light. So this is the color. We're gonna go and we came back from the paint shop. Now it's time to cover the rest of the car to make it ready for the paint. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cover all the windows, all the tires, and some places that we don't want to be paint. Yeah. So after that, it's ready to be a paint, guys. Yeah. Before we do the paint, we're gonna do the last check up, see if there is any problem on the car. If there is a small dot or there's any dust or any scratches like we didn't spot it on the first. There's lots of ants in here. I'm not sure why. As you can see, this car about to get paint, and you'll be silver as well. So it's gonna take us at least like 15 to 30 minutes to check up the proper car, because we'll try our best to do the base paint job. Yeah, so in that case I'm going to close the camera and check up the properly and see if I missed any or no. So we finished checking the car out, guys. Now everything's ready. We don't want to waste any more time. As you can see, the fan starting, lot of noise. Let's go and do my first paint job. So this is the color. Like, I'm a little bit worried because it looks like more silver with the shadow of what do you call it, the gray. It looks like that. Hope so everything will go good. We finished our first layer of the paint. Now we should wait till it dries. So now we're gonna do the main paint, guys. Yeah, so this is finished. This is the first layer, and now it's time to do the last and the final layer. most important part. Spray the clear. So that's the process which gives the shiny look, and of course give the extra protect for the paint job. So that's the most important part for this paint job. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna wait outside, then we'll be back in half an hour. Let's take a small break. So we just finished spraying the clear, guys. Yeah, it was so hard as well. Now it have that glossy look, and of course this clear protect the paint as well. So it's a glossy plus protect the paint job as well, guys. So what we're gonna do, we don't want to remove any of those papers. We're gonna keep it like that because tomorrow we'll be back to we'll do the polish as well. So we have still the headlights, the bumpers kit, and the spoiler, side mirrors. We're gonna do that by tomorrow, guys. So this will be end of this video, guys. Tomorrow we'll be back to do the polishing, do the extra paint for the bumper and the side mirror as well. So thank you so much, guys. Till you guys make it to the end. If you like this video, make sure to like this video, and of course leave a comment down below what you think about the paint job, guys. So see you for the next video. We'll be back tomorrow to do the polish and do the paint job for the front bumper and much more, guys. Stay tuned and we'll see you tomorrow.